Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another wonderful episode of The Wonders of Science with Mr. Whybrew. This is episode 20 of season 2, and in this episode we're going to answer the question, what are carbohydrates? Anybody know? Anyone want to take a guess? Come on, anybody? Anyone? Come on. I know someone wants to guess. Come on, give it a try. Come on. Anyone? Come on, anyone? Alright, let me go ahead and answer the question. So, what are carbohydrates? Well, carbohydrates are, along with proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids, as essential biological macromolecules. In other words, large molecules that our bodies need to function. Now, people have often heard the word carbohydrate, but really don't know what it means, unfortunately. And part of this is maybe they were sleeping in their science class, or they just heard it and said, oh, I guess I know what that word means, but they haven't really looked it up. Well, let's learn a little bit more about that. Well, for one, carbohydrates are the sugars and fibers found in fruit, grains, and in vegetables. They are called carbohydrates as they contain at the chemical level carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Pretty cool. Now, carbohydrates themselves are classified as either simple carbohydrates or complex carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates are digested and absorbed more quickly, hence the reason they're simple carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates usually contain one or two sugars. Some examples of simple sugars would be fructose, which is found in fruit, and galactose, which is found in milk products. Those would be considered monosaccharides. Then there are what we call complex carbohydrates, and those are ones that have 3 or more sugars and are classified also as polysaccharides. Alright, so that's just a brief little introduction to carbohydrates, but at least I hope it'll whet your appetite to look into it some more. Alright, let's get to our fun science fact of the day, and it is as follows. It's something you can really take in, at the atomic level, that is. Yeah, that pun didn't work. Okay, get it like this, right? Listen. Oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, and nitrogen make up 90% of the human body. Yes, I said that right. Oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, and nitrogen make up 90% of the human body. Pretty cool. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining me for another wonderful episode of The Wonders of Science with Mr. Whybrew. Look for the question at the end of the video. Have a nice day, and as always, enjoy the wonders of science. Take care. Goodbye.